Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today's video we're gonna be looking at how to learn English fast at home. How to learn English fast at home? 1. Tips and tricks. 2. Things to avoid. 3. Steps to follow. Are you wondering how to learn English fast at home? If yes, then you've hit the right URL. In this video, we'll bring to light the tips and tricks to improve English fast at home. But before we get into the topic, let me tell you a brief story. There was a horse which used to go to the field, not for eating grass, but for taking English language lessons from its seniors. Ha ha ha! Unfortunately, the habit of the horse was that it could not concentrate fully on the language lessons. It felt sometimes that English language lessons were important for it, and some other times it realized that grass was essential for it. The question for the horse was then, what to do? The result of such condition of the horse was that it could neither focus on eating grass nor on taking language lessons. Ultimately, it fell in the habit of thinking of eating grass sometimes and taking language lessons some other times. When it felt hungry, it focused on eating grass, and when it realized the importance of English, it focused on learning. Therefore, it could neither eat nor learn properly. What does the story cause you to think? The answer is very simple. The present situation of the learners of English is very much similar to that of the horse, because the students aspiring to learn English have fallen in the state of lack of determination and firmness of will. Therefore, they have lost their willpower and curiosity. Therefore, they can't focus on one thing, continuous learning. At best, you can say that they have curiosity to learn English, but the truth is that their curiosity and interest do not last for long, finding the learning journey difficult. Primary reasons why you cannot learn English. Have you ever thought what stops you from achieving fluency in English? A person who realizes the importance of learning English sets small goals for learning English and maintain strong willpower and long-lasting curiosity to achieve them. This long-lasting curiosity and strong willpower cause them to remember their goals. Remembering goals causes them to work hard. Hard work for achieving goals causes them to achieve what they want. Look below how and why you fail to learn English. 1. Weakness in your willpower causes you to forget your goals you set for learning English. Forgetting goals causes you to stop working on English. Number 3, when you stop working on your English, you don't achieve mastery in English. Therefore, you must avoid the following things when you start learning English at home or at school or online or offline. Learning English. 1. Don't let your curiosity die. It's your curiosity and inclination that encourages you to make efforts to learn English and face the challenges that come your way. So stay curious and don't let your curiosity die. Do anything that reminds you of English all the time. Keep listening to motivational speakers who encourage you to learn English. Number 2, never forget your goals. There are many things to learn when it comes to improving English, such as grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Set goals and focus on each part one by one. Follow your routine on a regular basis without any gap. You'll face a lot of difficulties, but it will certainly help you achieve your goals. Number 3, don't lose consistency in learning. Don't lose consistency in learning. Consistency is the key to learning and improving English very quickly. Again, consistency is the key to learning and improving English very quickly. If you're not consistent in your daily routine, you're never going to learn English. So, maintain consistency in your routine and dedicate the scheduled time to learning and improving English. Now, let's focus on how to learn English at home and the things that you must do to successfully learn English fast sitting at home. How to learn English fast at home. Improving English fluency rapidly from the comfort of your home is achievable with dedication, consistency, and a strategic approach. Improving English fluency rapidly from the comfort of your home is achievable with dedication, consistency, and a strategic approach. Here are the tips and tricks to learn spoken English fast at home. Number 1, set clear goals. Decide what aspects of English you want to improve. There are many things to improve in English: speaking, listening, reading, writing, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, etc. Set achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals and make an onerous effort to achieve your goals. Number 2, immerse yourself in English. To learn English, you must surround yourself with English as much as possible. So, to surround yourself with English, you can watch English movies, TV shows, and videos. You can listen to English podcasts, music, and radio. You can read English books, articles, and newspapers. Number 3, practice speaking regularly. To learn spoken English, you must practice speaking English every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. There are many ways of practicing spoken English. You can talk to yourself in English, speak English with your friends, have conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners online, or participate in English speaking clubs or communities or groups. Number 4, expand your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the most important part of English. Learn new words and phrases regularly. There are again many ways of learning and improving English vocabulary. You can use flashcards, vocabulary apps, or online resources. Make sure that you continuously use new words in your speech and writing. Number 5, learn basics of grammar. You can't just ignore the basics of English grammar if you're living in a non-English speaking country and want to learn spoken English at home. Learn English grammar rules and sentence structures. You can use grammar books, online resources, or language teaching apps. Number 6, read books, articles, and magazines in English. Read a variety of English texts, including books, newspapers, magazines, and online articles which are written in English. You must pay attention to the author's writing style, vocabulary, and sentence structure, and learn the ways how they use the English language. Reading improves comprehension skills by exposing you to different writing styles and genres. Number 7, write your thoughts in English. After you've gathered a good range of vocabulary and grammars, start writing in English. Remember that writing is a way of expression. You can view writing as the better version of speaking. Write a journal, write essays, compose emails, or participate in online writing forums in the English language. Number 8, practice speaking English with friends. Practice is the only thing that's going to help you during the entire journey of learning English. Practice speaking English with your friends by fixing topics that you're going to speak about. Number 9, listen to English speakers. Find native English speakers or fluent speakers in English. Listen carefully to what and how they say something in English. Listen to your favorite English speakers on different social media platforms such as YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Number 10, take online courses. Enroll in online English courses to receive structured instruction and guidance from experienced English language teachers. If you can afford online courses, then the British Council online English courses may help you learn fluent English. Kickstart learning English today by joining their courses. The English online courses offered by British Council are teacher-led courses where expert teachers help you learn and improve English fluency. Facts or frequently asked questions: how to learn English fast at home? How can I learn English by myself? You can learn English by yourself using the online study materials. You must follow the tips and tricks mentioned in this video. 1. Set goals for practice. 2. Expand vocabulary. 3. Enrich grammar. How to learn English in 30 days? Learning English in 30 days is really a difficult challenge to overcome. You can learn English in 30 days only when you've already learned the basics of English, grammar, and a wide range of vocabulary. Again, learning English in 30 days is really a difficult challenge to overcome. You can learn English in 30 days only when you've already learned the basics of English grammar and a wide range of vocabulary. How to learn English fluently at home? 1. Use online materials. 2. Set goals for practice. 3. Read in English. 4. Write continuously in English. 5. Practice spoken English with friends. 6. Listen to native speakers of English. And number 7, listen to English stories. So this is how to learn English fluently at home. How do I start learning basic English? 1. Learn basic grammar. 2. Learn basic vocabulary. 3. Learn tenses, active and passive. 4. Learn all parts of speech. 5. Learn modal verbs. 6. Learn narration, direct and indirect speech. And number 7, learn conditional sentences and wish clauses. How to speak good English? 1. Practice speaking on everyday topics. 2. Enhance basic grammar. 3. Expand your English vocabulary. 4. Focus on English pronunciation. 5. Learn idioms and phrases. 6. Learn phrasal verbs. 7. Think in English. Is it possible to learn English alone? Yes, it's possible to learn English alone, but there's a small problem that you'll need much time to learn English. If you learn English with the help of teachers, you can learn quickly. Learn more in the video. Can I learn English through self-study? Yes, you can learn English through self-study. However, you'll need a teacher to help you in the journey of learning English. Learn more in the video. How to learn English quickly? You can learn English quickly if you dedicate 5 to 7 hours a day to learning English. Within 1 month, you'll see the positive changes in your English. 1. Take online teacher-led courses. 2. Dedicate 4 to 6 hours daily. 3. Learn grammar. 4. Learn vocabulary. 5. Practice spoken English. How can I start English at home? 1. Use online study materials. 2. Take online courses. 3. Learn English on YouTube. 4. Dedicate 4 to 7 hours to learning English. How to learn English at home for adults? As an adult, you can easily learn English at home by following the below given tips. 1. Use online resources. 2. Take online courses. 3. Dedicate 5 to 7 hours a day. 4. Learn grammar. 5. Enrich vocabulary. 6. Beautify pronunciation. And 7. Practice speaking with friends. So, there you go guys. That's the end of this video about how to learn English fast at home. Thanks for watching.